Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to 3 tools that you can use to optimize your YouTube videos. As a YouTube content creator, creating a content is one thing, but for that content to do well on YouTube is another thing. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 tools I used to optimize my YouTube video for them to rank well on YouTube. The 3 tools I'm going to be introducing you today is TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Keywords Everywhere. These tools will help suggest the best tags you can use for your YouTube video. They will help you to create a very good thumbnail and will help you suggest the best titles you can also use for your YouTube videos. So without much ado, let's dive into my computer right now as I show you how I use these 3 tools practically to optimize my YouTube video after I upload them on YouTube so they can prosper and do well on YouTube. So the first YouTube extension I'm going to be talking about is TubeBuddy. And as you can see on my screen, the TubeBuddy extension is already installed on my Google Chrome. TubeBuddy is a great extension for content creators that want to boost their ranking on YouTube. It has a wide range of features to grow your YouTube page. One of its key features, which I'm going to show you, is the Keyword Explorer, a tool that looks for keywords to improve every video's ranking. It also suggests trending tags so you can change your video's tag over time and maintain their relevance. More than that, it comes with a quick edit toolbar that you can use to edit individual videos and the thumbnail of your YouTube videos. Best of all, TubeBuddy can also let you know when it's best time to publish your video. You can use the extension for free, which is ideal for new YouTubers who might want to explore what the toolkit has to offer first. For me, I use the free version of TubeBuddy for my YouTube channel with my Google Chrome, so I'll just show you practically how I usually use this. So these are many of the features of the TubeBuddy extension. Let me show you an example with one of my YouTube videos. So this is one of my YouTube video and you can see the TubeBuddy mark here. When I want to upload a video like this, TubeBuddy helps me to edit my thumbnail so I can create a thumbnail. You can see the TubeBuddy logo over there. So if I click on this create thumbnail, I can use the TubeBuddy YouTube extension to create a thumbnail for my YouTube video. So there are 3 different ways I can create a thumbnail using the TubeBuddy thumbnail generator. I can get a screenshot from the YouTube video I want to upload. I can use a solid color. I can use an existing email or existing thumbnail that I have on my computer. So I can use TubeBuddy to generate awesome thumbnail that will help my video rank on YouTube. Also, you can see this demonetization audit. When I upload a YouTube video, TubeBuddy helps me to audit my YouTube video to know if it will lead to demonetization, and you can see no warning. So if this YouTube video that I uploaded is likely to lead to demonetization for my channel, TubeBuddy is going to warn me. So this is a very great tool for those who have monetization on YouTube. So you can see upload default, you can set default uploading features with TubeBuddy. Also, TubeBuddy helps to suggest great tags that you can use to rank on YouTube. So you can see these recommended tags by TubeBuddy. This video is about YouTube monetization, reuse video demonetization, and you can see it has given me some very interesting tags that I can use to rank for this video. How to fix reuse content, how to fix reuse content, how to fix reuse content YouTube. So it gives you very great tags you can use to rank on YouTube, and if you upgrade, it will give you more tags. So these are more of the many features of the TubeBuddy extension for Google Chrome for YouTubers. So you can check it out, install it, and enjoy all these great features even for free. So second on the list is VidIQ extension. VidIQ is made for content creators that want to get some inspiration from their competitors. The extension works by tracking competing channels and comparing what those channels are doing right versus what you are doing wrong. This extension shows you what type of content your competitors are posting at the time they rose in popularity. So for my dashboard again, you can see that the VidIQ extension is installed on my Google Chrome, which I use for my YouTube channel. And you can see here the VidIQ logo. If I click this, you see some of the great features that the VidIQ has. It gives you daily ideas. It tells you about what your competitors are doing. It tells you about what your competitors are doing right versus what you are doing wrong, so you can adjust. It gives you trending alerts. It tells you which videos are most views, which videos are doing well on YouTube. It gives you a channel audit. It helps you with keyword inspectors. It helps you with your achievements, what you are doing right, and how you can improve your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. Then you can get more from the VidIQ Academy and the VidIQ rewards. So you can see the stats over here. that I have on my YouTube channel. They are VidIQ stats. So they are telling me how many views I've gotten in the past 7 days, how many watch minutes I have in the past 7 days, how many subscribers I have. So they're just giving me an overview of the stats on my YouTube channel. This is not the only thing that VidIQ has. It has many other features. Like I showed you for the TubeBuddy extension, VidIQ also suggests tags. So you can see under tags here, these tags are VidIQ tags. So for each tag that VidIQ suggests for you, they give you the statistics of that tag. You can see over here the overall stats, the VidIQ keyword volume. You can see your competitor score and everything. Like, this tool is just so great. And not only that, it comes and gives you information about your tags. So you can see this tag information here. So here they are telling me that I have keywords in my description, so that will help this video to rank. They're telling me that I have keywords in my title, 5/5. So my video keyword appeared in my title. It also appeared in my description. My tag volume is 4/5. My tag count is 3/5, which is doing well. And they tell me the VidIQ score. So my VidIQ score for this video is 44.9/50. So that is doing well. And this video has over 5,000 views. So the VidIQ give me stats that help me to know if my YouTube video is going to rank or not. So now they are coming with new VidIQ features. You can compare thumbnail in search results. So the VidIQ tool is just great for every YouTuber. Every YouTuber should have this, so you can be able to have great tags to help you rank. You can see they haven't telling me the number, how this video is ranking on YouTube. The green one is for TubeBuddy and the blue one is for VidIQ. So this is how I know. So for this tag here, I'm ranking number 1 for this tag, how to appeal YouTube monetization. So TubeBuddy and VidIQ is telling me that I'm ranking number 1 for this tag. For this other tag here, TubeBuddy is telling me I'm ranking number 5. VidIQ says I'm ranking number 4. Number 7. For this, I'm ranking number 4 with VidIQ here. TubeBuddy is telling me I'm ranking number 5. So all these extensions are great tools you need for your YouTube channel, the TubeBuddy, the VidIQ and all. So I just double click on that tag right now and I'm going to get some TubeBuddy information about the tag. So you can see TubeBuddy is just a very great tool you can use. So these are other suggestions of tags I can use with TubeBuddy. You can see the TubeBuddy keyword explorer. So it's helping me to explore this keyword and it's going to tell me the overall score, the score analysis for this keyword, and it's also going to tell me the trending data, similar tags that are trending in the line related to this title that I want to rank for on YouTube. So third and very important is the keyword everywhere. You can see this K over here, this extension that is K is the keyword everywhere extension, and it's a great tool that every YouTuber should have. So what does the keyword extension do? The keyword everywhere extension is an extension that helps you to find the right keyword to promote your content on YouTube, Google and more. So with this keyword everywhere, if I want to do a video, I can just come and search the keyword for the video I want to do. So I can just come here and search YouTube ranking, and the keyword everywhere will tell me the keywords that I'm supposed to use to rank on YouTube with that title, with that keyword I want to use. So the keyword everywhere will give you keywords surrounding a particular title that you can use to rank on YouTube. So I can even, if I come on Google, it works for Google also. If I just come and do a Google search of anything, any topic whatsoever, keyword everywhere will give me. So let me just search for how to increase your views on YouTube. Keyword everywhere will give me a long list of keywords I can use to rank for that topic. So you just see how the keyword everywhere works right now. So this is an example of what keyword everywhere does, the keyword everywhere extension does. So I just search how to increase your YouTube videos, how to increase your views on YouTube, and you can see the keywords everywhere related tags. So it has given me a lot of tags that I can use to rank for this topic on YouTube. I can use it even for bloggers. This is good for bloggers also. If you are looking for tags you want to use to rank for a blog post, keywords everywhere is the one for you. So you can see the keywords everywhere extension has given me long tail keyword for this topic. So I have long tail keywords I can use to rank for this topic. it has told me what people are searching for. So these are the things people are searching for around this topic. So you can use this to rank on YouTube or even for your blog. And these are related keywords that are related to that keyword, related to this topic. So keywords everywhere give you tags that you can use to rank for every YouTube video that you want to create. You know how tags help you to rank on search engine. So the keywords everywhere, it helps you to get those tags that you can use to rank on Google search engine and YouTube search engine. This is also an example of a YouTube search that I did. So I searched for YouTube ranking, how to rank on YouTube. So for this YouTube search that I've done, you can see the keyword everywhere giving me some great features and some great insights around that topic. You can see TubeBuddy features, also search engine explorer. Wow. Very soon now you will see the VidIQ. Yes, you can see. So these are VidIQ features. Now it's telling me how this overall score of this tag is very low. So if I want to do a video with this tag, I may not get so much, I may not rank so much. Maybe a lot of people have done it. You can see the competition for this tag is very high and the volume is just average. The competition is high and the volume is average. So with these statistics, doing a video around this means that you may not really rank very high because the competition is very high and the volume is very low. It's just average. The volume means how much people are searching for it. So people are not searching for it so much. The volume is just 55%, which is not very good. If it's in this green region, then the volume is very good. You can go ahead and do the video. You may probably rank for it. So these are great statistics that this YouTube extension gives you. So the VidIQ, the TubeBuddy, and the keyword everywhere are great extension for YouTubers. So there you have it. Those are the 3 tools I use to optimize my YouTube videos whenever I upload them on YouTube. And I'm sure you're going to get a difference when you begin to use these 3 tools on your YouTube channel. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. I will do well to answer them. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers.